Want to make it easier to clean your car? Get powerful cleaning and protection in one. Simoniz Shampoo and Wax is a powerful 2-in-1 cleaner which quickly gets rid of dirt and is also pH neutral, so it won't damage the paintwork. The great thing about this shampoo is that it can be used on the whole car, from bodywork and glass to wheels and plastic. All you need to do is rinse the car. Wash with shampoo and a sponge. Rinse again and dry. My top tip is rinse your wheels and tires first with a separate sponge or wash mitt, then clean the car from the top down, shampooing the wheels last. I usually use 2 buckets, one for the shampoo and water and the other with clean water to rinse the sponge and remove dirt and grit. Using a 2-in-1 product like Carnauba shampoo not only provides great cleaning properties, but the Carnauba wax will also leave a protective layer on the surface of your car to help keep the paintwork intact. For longer lasting protection, you can also use Simoniz Original Wax straight after cleaning. But if you're short on time, I'd recommend Simoniz Quick Shine Detailer.